Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you the quickest and easiest way to put foundation on. The foundation I'm going to be using today is the Health Halo Glow Liquid Filter, which is not really a foundation but it's like a base. It can be used as a foundation, as a highlighter, and so many other things. Things first, you always need to prep your base. If you don't prep your base properly, your makeup, your base is never going to look good. As primer, I'm going to be using the Power Grip Primer from e.l.f. And this primer is really good to make sure your skin is like super grippy so the makeup lasts so long. So I'm gonna be putting my primer in these areas. Sorry, I'm looking that way because I have the mirror. And we're just gonna rub it in all the areas. And now we're gonna wait 30 seconds. To even have a better effect of foundation on the skin, you might want to start having that skincare routine and making sure that your skincare is really clear and like with less bumps. If you want to have some any advices on the skincare routine, you can always check it out on my channel. I have put a video trying out a fancy skin product and also sharing my skincare routine with you. I'm going to be linking every single product that I've used in this video down below in the description, so if you want to purchase them, please go and do so. Now that we have waited 30 seconds, we can go on and apply the foundation. So to apply the foundation, we're just going to take this and apply it on the cheeks, especially like on the areas that you want to apply the foundation. So these are my areas. Then you might want to take a brush or a beauty blender. This is my beauty blender. I always use my beauty blender, as you can see. In not in the best conditions, but we don't mind. And then we're simply going to spread it and blend it all over our face. Because I have pigmentation here, I'll do it like this as well, so that it evens out on the skin. And then on my nose too, because I want to really make sure that all the colors, especially the highlighter that I usually put, is gonna pop out. Always have a mirror with you to make sure that everything is being blended out correctly and there are not like uneven parts to have an even better effect. Always make sure to get this right shade of foundation, because you don't want to look too orange or too pale or too dark. So always make sure to try it out in the shops. And this is the final results. This is a really glowy base, so if you want to make it more matte, use a powder. This is the powder I use. It's a pressed powder, it's not like loose powder. And use it with the powder puff and you put it on the areas you want to make matte, so preferably on all areas or like under the eyes, especially if you want to make them brighter. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe and like this channel and turn on the bell, click on the bell. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.